Hey any and everyone that gets to check out this video. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. So this is my first mukbang video. It's actually my first YouTube video I've ever made in general. So it might be a little bit rough, bear with me. What I'm gonna do today is just a fast food mukbang, simple. You don't know what's gonna be open right now or shut down. So fast food's still going strong. So I went ahead and I got some Arby's. This is my Arby's sandwich. I've got a regular beef and cheddar, extra nacho cheese, of course, and my curly fries. For Taco Bell, I went ahead and got 2 Doritos Locos Nacho Tacos, and then I'm trying their new Grande burrito they have on the dollar menu. So I'm excited about that. The other thing I decided to do today was try out the Popeyes chicken sandwich. It went viral. It was such a big thing when it dropped. Everyone was going crazy about it, and I have yet to try it. So I'm gonna check that out today for the first time with you guys. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think my food is a little bit cold, unfortunately, but it should still be good either way. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. I went to Popeyes first. I tried to find like an area where all 3 of them were pretty close together, so like my food wasn't getting too cold. And they were relevantly within like a couple miles from each other, which was great, but I ended up hitting a pothole when I was leaving Arby's. I had to pull over, make sure the car was okay. Mind you, it's not even my car. My boyfriend let me borrow his Audi. So then I had a little bit of an anxiety attack in the parking lot and sat there for like 20 minutes on the phone with him, just kind of like, I hope I didn't mess up your car, like I'm so sorry. And everything looked fine for the most part. There is a little ding on the bumper, but it's kind of on a place where I don't think I don't think it was from hitting the pothole. Like, it's above the bumper and there's nothing below it. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and drive into my tacos. They have a tendency to get soggy if you don't eat them right away. And it was like a 10-minute drive to my house. I'm actually amazed that all my sauces, gotta have all the sauces. Yes, yes queen. It's a little bit softer. I'm so hungry. I've been eating all day. I've been waiting for this. So after I hit that pothole, I stopped in the Taco Bell parking lot and did the whole car check and everything before I actually went to the drive-thru for Taco Bell. So I was still a little frazzled and just nervous. My boyfriend was fine on the phone. Luckily, I was terrified, but I forgot to get extra nacho cheese sauce from Taco Bell because I was still frazzled. So good. I've never actually been able to eat a lot in one sitting, which is kind of contradicting to the fact that I'm obsessed with mukbangs, but I'm gonna give it my best shot anyways. me and my boss were making jokes about how this was like my weird little fetish or whatever people like to call it. And I was telling him, I was like, I really want to start a YouTube channel for mukbangs. Like, I want to so bad. And I was telling him that it was an issue because I just can't eat a lot of food in one sitting. Like, I'm the type of person, I will eat all day. Like, I'll snack all day long. But if you give me like a meal to sit down and eat in one setting, I'm full in like 2 bites, like 2 whole bites, and I'm stuffed. So we're joking and saying that I should make a channel called My Mini Mukbang. But I don't know how to make many versions of food. So we're just gonna try to eat as much as I can. I guess the one good thing that came out of quarantine was I finally stopped procrastinating and made this video. I have been out of work for 2 weeks now. I am going crazy. I think it's the first time I've had my makeup done in almost 3 weeks. I haven't been leaving the house. I mean, there's nothing to do. I don't want to get sick. Or worst case, be carrying get someone else sick is what terrifies me the most. I'm 25, so realistically I would be fine, I'm sure. I'm pretty healthy. But you don't ever want to risk getting someone else sick, so here I am making a YouTube video. The fries are cold. It sucks. I've also been dieting really strictly for a little over 2 weeks now. I've lost 10 pounds, so this is like the best treat possible. So good. Let's see. French fry. A little bit about myself, I guess, since it's my first video and no one knows me. My name is Haley, and I live in Florida. Wonderful, crazy state of Florida. I moved here about 3 years ago from Alaska with 2 friends. I was born and raised. Eskimo, mom's side, Indian dad's side, very, very Alaskan. And I was 23, we decided to try out somewhere new and ended up driving through Canada, through the United States, all the way to Florida. I had about 3 weeks notice before I ended up doing this. So here I am. That's disappointing. So I'd ordered the loaded taco burrito, and they have 2 options. They have the chipotle chicken, which is what they ended up giving me, and then the one I originally ordered. I've never been a huge fan of chipotle sauce. I love chipotle burritos. I don't get the sauce. So, oh well, I got plenty of food. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to dive into this sandwich. See what the hype is about, guys. Okay. Not bad. I don't if I would have hyped it up as much as the world did when it came out, it's a lot of chicken. Like, yeah, that's a mouthful of chicken. Holy cow. It does have a good flavor though. It's I got the classic, not the spicy. It's a little sweet. And it's sweeter than I thought it would be. That's probably the sauce. I mean the bread. Okay. Taco number 2. This is like the best day of my life. Not only have I just been craving so much junk food since this diet, but I'm so excited about, excuse me, did my first mukbang video. Let's see. Since I forgot my Taco Bell nacho cheese, luckily I have the Arby's one, but I don't think they're the same. I mean, they're both just kind of like nacho cheese, but I don't know the same. This is so good. So what have you guys all been doing during your quarantine? And people are getting a little stir crazy. Things are getting weird. Like yesterday, never seen my boyfriend eat anything green before. He willingly ate a salad, which probably doesn't sound like a big deal to really anyone. You didn't know him, but this man does not eat vegetables. Period. We've been dating a year. Never seen him eat a vegetable. He's definitely eats like a 3-year-old. And he was just sent me a photo, goes, I'm gonna have a salad. Like, I'm gonna be healthy like you. Quarantine needs to be lifted. This is getting crazy. That's where I draw the line. My boyfriend made a salad. Quarantine needs to be done. So, I know a lot of people, when they do their own channels, what's the word? I don't know how to say this properly. Are a little bit more messy, I suppose. Like the full dips and cheese bowls. Don't get me wrong, I love cheese. But when it's all over their face. And I know that is a big thing for some people. Like, people love that. And it's not that I really don't. I don't like being messy. Like, it took me years to even eat chicken wings because I hated having sauce on my hands. So just a heads up, you probably won't see a lot of food all over my face or smacking of my mouth. It's just not something that you're gonna find on this channel, just a heads up. But what you will find is the mukbangs. I think the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be a seafood boil, which I actually originally wanted to do for my first one because those ones I love the most. Like Love, oh my god, I watch her all day long. Fucking love her. Never mind, oops. Anywho, so I think I'll do that one next. So I'll do the seafood boils and the mukbangs. I'm probably gonna do ASMR. I'm waiting to get a good microphone. I know I've seen people use like the just like regular headphones, but if I'm gonna do it, I want to do it how I feel is right and like do it well. So I'll end up ordering one. I don't know when it'll get here because I heard that there's only mailing priority mail or something. Right? Sorry, there's gonna be a little divot in the video. My friend tried FaceTiming me and it made the video cancel. There's something blank there. So what next? I'm starting to slow down. This is a lot of food. I don't know how these people put it away. Keep working on my Arby's. I don't know how I feel about a Popeye sandwich. I don't know if maybe it's too much chicken for me. Like, there we go. I'm not a huge chicken person. I eat it. I don't like a mouth, like just a huge bite of chicken. Like I like it in smaller portions. I don't know if that makes sense. So that is a lot. It's not bad by any means. It's just not. I don't understand what the hype was about. I know. Honestly, I've never had a KFC chicken sandwich. I don't really eat chicken sandwiches, I guess. I've never had KFCs either. Maybe I should try those next. Man, the whole my mini mukbang, that's a tongue twister, idea is sounding a whole lot better than it was prior, because I still have a whole, like, basically a whole sandwich left between the two of them. I mean, about half of each, maybe a quarter of that one. And then I'm not going to eat this Chipotle burrito. I did not like it. But I'm already slowing down. I don't know if people just force themselves to eat all of it. It's a lot of food. I probably try not to drink so many fluids. Oopsie. Well, I'm pretty much going to end up wrapping this up. Like I said, thank you so much for looking or watching. If you did, sticking through it. I know this is not going to be as good of quality as the other videos out there until I kind of start getting the hang of it. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be talking about every video, if I'm going to do stories or just eat. It'll probably change every time. But today I just kind of wanted to introduce myself and, excuse me, kind of let you guys know what to expect. So what I'm hoping is I'm going to end up doing one at least once a week, probably a little bit more while I'm quarantined. I have nothing else going on. So I think the next one I will either try to make my own seafood boil or find a place that is open. I really want to do that one next. I just got to find a place that's doing seafood boils. I could make it myself. I've made a couple. They just don't come out as good as restaurants make it. It's just what it is. I can't cook them as well as other people, so yeah. Alright guys, well thank you for checking out. If you liked it, go ahead, submit, subscribe, follow, whatever it is, share it, all of it. Thank you. Like it. Bye.